Hey everyone, want to download Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's modern web browser that offers fast performance, built-in security, AI-powered features, and seamless syncing across your devices. In this full guide, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your current web browser and visit the official Microsoft Edge website. The site automatically detects your operating system and recommends the correct version for your device. Next, confirm that the correct operating system is selected. Microsoft Edge is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iPhone or iPad. If needed, choose your platform manually before downloading. Now click the download button. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your browser, you may need to confirm the download before it starts. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation usually takes only a few minutes, and Microsoft Edge will launch automatically when it's finished. After Edge opens, sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to sync your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, and settings across all your devices. You can also skip this step and sign in later. If you'd like to use Microsoft Edge as your primary browser, open the browser settings and choose Set as Default. This makes links and supported web content open automatically in Microsoft Edge. For the best experience, keep Microsoft Edge updated, enable syncing across your devices, install only trusted browser extensions, and explore features like Collections, the PDF reader, and Copilot where available. These tools can improve both productivity and browsing efficiency. And that's how to download Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're installing it on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iPhone, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.